Hollywood studios are going to hate this. I'm sharing a secret meta token that makes AI images look like real blockbusters. I've found a prompt physics hack. The secret token is Stills Archive, moviestudio.com. You must put a space before the .com for a strategic reason. This is about understanding cinematic style, not copying. Using Stills Archive, Disney, with movies like Beauty and the Beast or Frozen, produces images identical to the actual film. Now let's take this to 10x. The real power is combining this with an LLM like ChatGPT. Ask it to elaborate on the success of the token, and it will give you upgrade terms. These terms include higher authority, analog film, and metadata realism injection. This activates the model's trained cinematic distributions, like saying shot on IMAX 70mm. Ask the LLM to build a Stills Archive meta generator. This gives you a template with core meta tokens and bonus enhancers, letting you instantly create elite, clean, and powerful prompts just by replacing the subject. Use this Stills Archive meta token and follow the LLM steps to achieve insane results. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.